Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We've seen a market reversal coming out of the sideways mode. Over the past few days, you can see how the Dow is just absolutely flat. We didn't know whether it was going to go this way, or this way. But today's trading with the Doji gap up kind of gives us now this rounding bottom with the next target projection up here to the 50-day moving average. A little bit more compelling over here in the NASDAQ, where we had a bullish engulfing followed by a Doji sandwich. Again, that positive open today after the Doji implied that this candle right here was going to be about the same magnitude as this candle right here. Stochastics heading up, good implication that they're going to test the 50. There's a gap just above that area to fill. So there's a good possibility that bullish trading would start stimulating more buying coming into this market. This is making, or the Doji sandwich is making for very strong confirmation that the bulls are in control. When you're using Apple, Amazon, Tesla, all the biggies that everybody's watching, when they're doing bullish signals and closing above the 50-day moving average, that's a pretty good indication that the bears are out of the way. The bulls are now more confident. So the patterns that are working right now are the jhooks. We recommended Ali the other day because of the jhook pattern with a left-right combo, one of your strongest reversal signals right here at the T line. You can see how it did it. A jhook pattern right here at the 200 coming up through. You got a wave one, wave two, now going into wave three. Same scenario on our recommendation on KYMR. Look where the jhook pattern set up. Right smack dab off the 50. Another left-right combo telling us that the 50 was going to act as support, also putting us into wave three, which was going to be the same magnitude as wave one. So the prospects of a candlestick pattern provide two benefits. One, the magnitude, let's go the other way. The probability of the move is extremely strong. And then secondly, the magnitude of the move is calculated and is going to be usually a lot stronger than merely an uptrending stock in an uptrending market. Chewy was the same scenario. You can see the jhook pattern that broke out through the 50. Wave one, you can see the pullback right back to the T line. Wave three in progress. So what we're trying to do using the patterns is, if we know there's an uptrend, we want to make as much hay as possible. We want to find the ones that have not only high probability expectations of moving in the right direction, but also moving with a great magnitude or a high probability of a high profit trade. So the jhook patterns are working, and even more compelling is what we call the bobble breakout, which is a jhook pattern that you can see where it resisted and then you can see where it broke through. Usually implies the bulls are definitely in control. So right now, with the uptrend in progress, if we can anticipate there might be coming up to test the 50, that gives you at least a few days of expectation of trading to the upside. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.